Ever wondered about hiccups? Let's dive right in. They start deep down in the diaphragm. That's the dome-shaped muscle nestled between your lungs and stomach. Normally, the diaphragm pulls down when you inhale, welcoming air into your lungs, and eases up when you exhale, guiding air out through your nose and mouth. But irritation can cause your diaphragm to spasm, triggering a rush of air into your throat that smacks into your voice box. This abrupt meeting prompts your vocal cords to snap shut, resulting in that trademark hic sound we all know. Now, how to stop them? Some experts suggest holding your breath or breathing into a paper bag. Both methods cause carbon dioxide to build up in your lungs, which might just soothe your spasming diaphragm. Fascinating, isn't it?